Right, this is the DXY, the dollar index, which has been more or less in terminal decline since around about 2002. In fact, just after the big tech boom, when this dollar index has not quite halved in value. But something really interesting happened following the financial crash in 2008. It rose very, very, very strongly for almost a full year, and then it came crashing down again to an important 786 level. But just look where it came down to. It came down to the 74 region, which is just where the previous low was, and that's exactly where it's managed to find some support. Now, what does support mean? Well, all it really means is that there are buyers down there defending it, and they had enough oomph to push it all the way back up to attempt to break the previous high. Well, it didn't manage that, and as we can see and as we now know, price came all the way down, and it came right the way back down, broke through that 74 level, but then it found support again just below 73. But the all-important area is that it did not break through that great big lump of prior price action. Now, it came down to an 886 level, and that's a very, very important harmonic wave number, as is the 1.128 expansion. So we've got a couple of important harmonic fib numbers that came to that particular level. And also, just look at this little indicator we've got down here. We've got a low, but we've then got a higher low in the indicator, in the wave R value finder, when price had actually come down lower itself. So we've got divergence there. I've got a couple of things suggesting that just maybe that price is not going to go any lower. Rolling along to where we are right now, which is early September 11, we've had a very, very strong week last week, and the prior week to that was also reasonably strong. But the important thing about this level is that 74 seems to be the level which is being defended, which is exactly the same level that it came down to one of those other important harmonic numbers, 786, way back towards the end of last year, which just happens to be at the top end of this lump of price action where support has turned out to be. So we've got buyers defending this at 74. Now, why? We just don't know, but we've just got to look at the charts and see what is going on here. There's a very fair chance now that this particular move could well follow on for a major reversal of all of that price action, going even all the way back to 2002 that we've seen before. Now, clearly along the way there are going to be a number of little corrections, and we're going to get a correction, I guess, coming back here. So the all important thing will be now to see how far this correction goes. Will it pick up a higher low before 74, and provided it doesn't break through that, turns the corner and moves on up, we could be on to a major reversal.